At Quest Geothermal, our philosophy is geothermal made easy. We believe in trying to make the geothermal installation as worry-free for our clients as possible. Right from your initial phone call into our office, through the sales process, into the installation process, we're there every step of the way to ensure that you have a high-quality geothermal installation. Be it a web or phone inquiry, your request for information will be handled in an efficient manner and dispatched to the appropriate representative who will come to your home and provide you with an accurate quote and assessment of your geothermal system. The in-home consultation is performed by a highly trained representative who will answer your questions, discuss installation methods, provide a heat loss assessment of your home, and quotation of the proper geothermal system for your needs. The in-home heat loss assessment is a crucial step in the geothermal process. We'll measure your home, assess the building construction quality, insulation, windows, and doors to determine the proper size geothermal system for your needs. If your geothermal system is not properly sized, you run the risk of not having enough heat in the winter or spending thousands more on an oversized system. Beware of a contractor that performs a rule of thumb assessment without doing a proper heat loss calculation on your home. Our no obligation consultation is designed to provide all the tools necessary to make a decision at your convenience. Depending on your financial needs, we offer a range of financing packages to allow for low monthly payments. We often see that a typical home can finance a geothermal system for roughly the same monthly cost of their current heating system. Once you've decided on an installation and following a second inspection, the next step is the removal of the old equipment.
We're replacing our existing propane-fired Lennox high-efficiency gas furnace with a new geothermal unit. The reason why we're replacing this, of course, is mainly cost. Propane has risen drastically over the last 11 years, 120% as a matter of fact. Originally, when we installed this equipment on propane, propane was 30 cents a liter. It is now over 70 cents a liter, and this is one of the prime reasons why we're replacing this equipment to the more energy efficient geothermal system.
With any geothermal installation, there are two components to the system. The inside ground source or geothermal heat pump, which acts as the furnace, and the outside ground loop. It is critical that the ground loop be sized correctly for the system installed in the house. We need to ensure that there is enough pipe in the ground to provide heat to the home all winter long and enough cooling all summer long. In a closed loop horizontal installation, we dig a series of trenches 5.5 to 6 feet down and lay the geopipe horizontally along the ground. The pipe is plumbed in parallel loops to provide efficient heat transfer from the ground to the liquid inside the pipe. At 5.5 feet down, the ground is a constant temperature of between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. We then pump the ground heated liquid into the geothermal heat pump to extract the heat via the refrigeration process. As we extract heat from the liquid, we cool the liquid down and return it to the outside loop to allow the ground to replace the heat. In order to ensure proper heat transfer, we need to leave adequate space between the pipe. As we will be pulling heat from the area around the pipe, we need to ensure the earth can recover the heat as needed. In order to connect the ground loop to the geothermal heat pump, we must core through the foundation of the home, typically below the frost line. Once all the pipe is laid and pressure tested, we begin the backfilling process, with great care given to not damage the loop. While work is going on outside, the inside crew is working to install your new geothermal system. At Quest Geothermal, great care is given to protect your home during the installation. We use motorized stair climbers and protective mats to keep your house clean and damage-free during the whole installation process. In this installation, we are using the existing ductwork to tie in the geothermal heat pump. With geothermal, you not only have the ability to create heating and cooling, you also have the ability to create hot water for your domestic needs while the system is in operation. Geothermal can produce up to 50% of your home's domestic hot water needs. Once the installation is complete, our representative will once again visit the home to go over the new system, answer any additional questions, and provide you with the materials and documentations for your new geothermal system.
We find the heat to be much more even throughout the home than it was prior with the propane.
There's no cold spots anymore.
Yeah.
I love the constant temperature. You go from one room to the other, and
Yeah.
this is a fairly large home, open concept, and it's very even now. I really noticed that.
Yeah, yeah, it's quite a difference. We haven't used the air conditioning as yet, but I look forward to that as well. It, I think, will be even better than the old system.
Now you have seen a typical geothermal installation from start to finish. For more information or to set up an in-home consultation, please visit our website or give us a call.